Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Podcast with FTJ. I'm Jennifer, and today we have Jack with me.
Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here. We're going to talk about daily English expressions today.
Yes, and don't worry, we'll use easy words so everyone can follow. And if you practice with us, you'll sound like a native speaker in no time.
That's right. And these are expressions you can use every day. You'll hear them at school, at work, or with friends.
Perfect. Before we start, remember our channel name, English Podcast with FTJ. If you like our lessons, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, and today we'll go step by step with real-life examples. So let's start.
Okay, the first expression is something you can say when you don't mind something. For example, either way works for me, or I'm easygoing about it.
That's perfect. You can say it when you're not picky, like, do you want pizza or burgers for lunch? Either way works for me.
Exactly, and that's how we start using these expressions in real life.
Yes, and don't worry, we will learn more expressions in the next parts of the podcast.
Great, that's enough for the first expression today. Are you ready for the next one, Jack?
Let's go.
Okay, Jack, let's move on to our second expression.
Yes, this one is something you can say when you can't wait for something. You can say, I'm looking forward to it.
Exactly. For example, if your friend says, we're going to the park tomorrow, you can reply, I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, and it's like saying, I'm really excited about this, but in a natural way.
Great. Okay, the third expression is very useful when something is easy to do. You can say, no problem.
Right. If someone thanks you, you can just say, no problem. For example, thanks for helping me with my homework. No problem.
Yes, simple, short, and very common.
Okay, the fourth expression is something we say when we don't know the answer. You can say, I have no idea.
Exactly. Like if someone asks, what time is the meeting tomorrow? And you really don't know, you just say, I have no idea.
Perfect. People use this all the time, and it sounds natural and casual.
Great. That's 4 expressions for today. And don't forget, you can practice them with us to sound more natural in English.
Yes, and stay tuned because we have more expressions coming up in the next part.
Okay, let's take a short break and then continue with more daily expressions.
Yes. Ready, Jennifer?
Always. Okay, the fifth expression is something we say when we agree with someone. You can say, absolutely.
Right. For example, if someone says, English is really important to learn, you can reply, absolutely.
Perfect. It sounds strong and natural, not just a boring yes.
Exactly. The sixth expression is something we say when we want someone to repeat. You can say, sorry, can you say that again?
Yes, like if you didn't hear someone clearly, the meeting starts at 3 p.m. Sorry, can you say that again?
Very useful. This one helps you understand everything clearly.
Okay, the seventh expression is something we use when we want to encourage someone. You can say, you can do it.
Yes, like if your friend is nervous. I don't think I can finish this project on time. You can do it.
Perfect. Short, easy, and very encouraging.
And the eighth expression is something we say when we need to wait a moment. You can say, just a second.
Exactly. Like if someone asks, can you help me now? Just a second, I'm finishing something.
Polite and patient.
Yes, simple, everyday English that sounds natural. Great. That's expressions 5 to 8. Keep practicing them with us and you'll remember them easily.
Yes! Ready to learn more, Jennifer?
Always. Okay, the ninth expression is something you can say when you are not sure about something. You can say, I'm not sure.
Exactly. Like if someone asks, do you know where Sarah is? I'm not sure.
Perfect. It's short, simple, and very common in daily conversations.
Yes! The 10th expression is something you can say when you want someone to wait a little. You can say, hang on.
Right, like, hang on, I'll be right back.
Super useful. People say this all the time in real life.
Okay, the 11th expression is something you say when you need help. You can say, can you help me?
Yes, like if you're stuck on a problem. Can you help me with this homework?
Great, and it's really easy to remember because you use it every day.
And the 12th expression is something we say when we agree with someone completely. You can say exactly.
Perfect, like if someone says, practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Yes, short, easy, and very natural.
Great, that's expressions 9 to 12. Keep practicing with us and your English will sound so natural.
Yes, and in the next part, we'll learn even more expressions that you can use every day. Yes, Jennifer, I am ready. Let's go.
Okay, the 13th expression is something you say when you need to apologize. You can say, I'm sorry.
Exactly. Like if you bump into someone. Oh, I'm sorry.
Perfect. Short, simple, and very common in everyday life.
Yes. The 14th expression is something you can say when you don't understand something. You can say, I don't understand.
Right, like if your teacher explains something, I don't understand. Can you explain again?
Super useful. This one helps you learn faster.
Okay, the 15th expression is something you say when you need more time. You can say, give me a minute.
Yes, like if someone asks, are you ready? Give me a minute.
Great, it's very easy and natural to use.
And the 16th expression is something we say when we want to cheer someone up. You can say, don't worry.
Perfect, like if someone is stressed, I'm nervous about the test. Don't worry, you'll do great.
Yes, short, simple, and everyone can use it every day.
Great, that's expressions 13 to 16. Keep practicing with us and your English will sound natural and confident.
Yes, Jennifer, I can't wait. Let's do this.
Okay, the 17th expression is something you say when you want to agree politely. You can say, that's true.
Exactly. Like if someone says, exercise is good for health. That's true.
Perfect. Short, simple, and very natural in conversation.
Yes. The 18th expression is something you say when you need to politely decline. You can say, I'm afraid I can't.
Right. Like if someone invites you out. Do you want to go to the party? I'm afraid I can't.
Polite and sounds very natural.
Okay, the 19th expression is something you say when you need confirmation. You can say, is that right?
Yes, like if you're checking. So the meeting is at 4 p.m., is that right?
Perfect. This one helps you avoid misunderstandings.
And the 20th expression is something you can say when you want someone to wait a little. You can say, hold on.
Right, like if someone calls you while you're busy, hold on, I'll be right with you.
Yes, short, easy, and used every day.
Great. That's expressions 17 to 20. Keep practicing with us and your English will sound very natural.
Yes, and stay tuned because in the next part, we'll learn even more expressions that you can use every day. Yes, Jennifer, I'm ready to learn more.
Okay, the 21st expression is something you say when you want to say, good job. You can say, well done.
Exactly, like if someone finishes their homework. Well done.
Perfect. Short, simple, and very positive.
Yes, the 22nd expression is something you say when you are surprised. You can say, really?
Right, like if someone tells you exciting news. I got an A on my test.
Really? Super useful. It's short and sounds very natural.
Okay, the 23rd expression is something you say when you want someone to repeat something. You can say, could you say that again?
Yes, like if you didn't hear clearly. Could you say that again?
Perfect. Very simple and easy to use every day.
And the 24th expression is something you say when you want to agree strongly. You can say, I totally agree.
Right, like if someone says, practice makes perfect. I totally agree.
Yes, short, natural, and every English learner should know this one.
Great. That's expressions 21 to 24. Keep practicing with us to sound confident and natural.
Yes, and in the next part, we'll learn expressions 25 to 28. Yes, Jennifer, I'm ready to learn more.
Okay, the 25th expression is something you say when you agree, but in a casual way. You can say, sounds good.
Exactly, like if someone says, let's meet at 5 p.m. Sounds good.
Perfect. Short, natural, and very common in conversation.
Yes, the 26th expression is something you say when you need to be careful. You can say, be careful.
Right, like if someone is carrying something heavy, be careful.
Super useful, short and easy to remember.
Okay, the 27th expression is something you say when you want to give your opinion. You can say, I think.
Yes, like, I think this movie is great.
Perfect. Everyone can use this to share ideas naturally.
And the 28th expression is something you say when you want someone to hurry. You can say, come on.
Right, like if your friend is slow. Come on, we're late.
Yes, short, fun, and very common in everyday English.
Great. That's expressions 25 to 28. Keep practicing and your English will sound so natural.
Yes, Jennifer, I can't wait to finish strong.
Okay, the 29th expression is something you say when you agree in a very casual way. You can say, sure thing.
Exactly. Like if someone asks, can you help me with this? Sure thing.
Perfect. Short, natural, and very easy to use every day.
Yes, and the 30th expression is something you say when you want to encourage someone or cheer them up. You can say, keep it up.
Right, like if your friend is practicing something. You're doing great. Keep it up.
Awesome. Short, simple, and very natural in conversation.
Great. That's it. We've learned all 30 daily English expressions today. Remember to practice them every day to sound confident and natural.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast with FTJ for more fun lessons.
Thank you for joining us, everyone. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.